Affirmative. The private aviation business in Saudi Arabia is a very fast-growing business due to the fast developing economy with the new economical cities and the business growth and the large of Saudi Arabia need a special private aviation for businessmen to move to the location from the main capital Riyadh and Jeddah and Dammam. Therefore, Saudi Private Aviation initiated that step in 2008, and from vast experience, more than 45 years in this field, we thought it is very imperative, very important to have SPA, what they call it, SPA, to serve the business people, business aviation industry, and to come with legitimate 135 operator. Therefore, we started really invested more than $250 million with 10 aircraft brand new, 4 of them Falcon 7X, top of the line, and 6 aircraft Hawker 400 XP for businessmen who do not want to spend a lot, as to be practical for business people, can carry 6 passengers for short haul flight. And therefore, we started in 2008 with this experience, long experience. Really, the growth is tremendous, beyond the expectation. The market contain around 480 aircraft, expected to double to 1,000 approximately in year 2020. Saudi Private Aviation has the best knowledge related to this field, and we built our biggest and largest FBO in Saudi Arabia for private aviation, where we are now in Jeddah, and we have our FBO in Riyadh, and we will have, inshallah, in Dammam. Our staff have wide experience in terms of serving the private aviation, because we have the background of special flight service, which it used to be government movement, and now we give the chance to everybody who afford to pay and get the service that top VIP for us. Saudi Private Aviation has big potential, and we are expecting in the near future to be covering most of the station that we have, because we are extended from Saudi Airlines, and that gives us a big strength and long experience. We are existing in 27 local or 28 domestic airport, and more than 50 international station. This by itself, it gives us a big support, and none of the private aviation has that strength to cover all this destination with existing staff and manpower and management. And also, we utilize the excellent relation of our country with all over the world that give us the big success accessibility to serve in any destination we would like to fly. Our people is the main important assets for us. We invested a lot in give them the best training, we give them the best facilities, and to boost the morale, and you can see the result in a short period of time. SPA came very powerful, and we are near future you will see SPA is the #1 private aviation company in the region. For your information, Saudi Arabia represent more than 60% of the regional Middle East business for private aviation. The whole countries of the Middle East, or what you call it, in the Gulf countries, represent approximately 10% of the world movement of private aviation. Our growth is really tremendous. As you know, the business is growing. The owner of the aircraft is getting more aircraft. We believe that we will have more aircraft to be managed, because it's not only to buy aircraft, is how to give the proper service for our client, the ground handling, aircraft management, technical service background with our sister company SAI and SGS, our ground handling of Saudi Airline. Our FBO is well situated in the best locations accessible to all our VIP.